Hey all, welcome back to another of our quarterly promo videos. My name is Scott Mann, and today we'll be talking to our Q3 promo, which is based on our also popular VDI solution. And we'll run through this promo. It's going to be lasting from the summer until the end of September. And I'm joined today by Mitch Etchison. Mitch, if you want to give yourself a quick hello.
Yep, Scott, thanks for having me. I am a product manager here at Scale, and I work really closely with our channel partners, and I'm excited about the Q3 offer.
And we're excited to have you here, Mitch. So Mitch is the lead product manager that helped us put this offer together for you all. So I'll be asking him some questions in kind of an interview style. And the purpose of this is to give you all an overview of the promo, the value proposition for your customers, and answer some of those frequently asked questions that we know you'll get. So to kick things off, Mitch, first let's talk to what exactly does the promo entail for Q3?
Yeah. So over the past year or so, we've seen a lot of customers really need to improve their flexibility and resiliency. And often that means implementing solutions like VDI. But we also have seen that it can be kind of an intimidating transition. And so we wanted to put together an offer that would make it a little bit more cost effective to test the water or transition if you kind of had implementing VDI on your to-do list for a while. And so in Q3, with the purchase of a 3-node scale cluster, we will include Parallels remote application server licensing at no additional cost.
So in marketing language, first year's on us. And that sounds like a great way for any customers that are, the customers that are just starting out and they're looking for a true VDI solution, or even ones that are already heavily invested into a current solution, but they're just not happy with it. So those are some use cases to start thinking about your customer base. Now, Mitch, that leads me to my follow-up questions. How many licenses can they get with this? Is there a limit to the amount of licenses?
Yep, good question, Scott. It is a sliding scale depending on which product series is purchased as part of that 3-node cluster, starting out with 25 licenses on the low end and 100 licenses as a max on the high end. And we have collateral and have equipped all of our reps with the information to help you understand just how many licenses will be included with each cluster purchase.
Okay, so it's up to 100 licenses with the first year included, but that depends on the product family of the HE3 cluster. Now, how do our partners know what product family is the right fit for the customer?
Yeah, another good question. So we do have both small and large capacity-wise and high-performance systems available to this offer. So it can fit customer VDI deployments at both the low end and the high end. But more importantly, when it comes to actual sizing these deals, our sales engineering team has a really nifty VDI sizing calculator that can be used to really get into the specifics of what is needed for each individual customer from a capacity perspective based on their performance requirements, as well as number of users in the environment and all of those types of things. So yeah.
All right, fantastic. Now let's take a step back to the licensing side. Can a customer purchase multiple years up front and still get that first year included, or does this only apply on a single year subscription?
Yeah, absolutely. They can purchase multiple years up front. Parallels has the option for a 1-year term, a 3-year term, or a 5-year term. And you can purchase whatever one makes sense for the customer, with that first year being the one that's covered under the offer.
And now this is the question that's probably in the back of every single one of these partners' minds that are watching this right now. How does this impact their margin, if at all?
Yeah, another good question. And luckily, this will not impact margins. All of our partners should be able or will be able to make that same margin profile that they are used to when working with Scale, because this is an offer that we're putting together and we're not passing on the cost of the offer to the channel or anything like that.
Fantastic. Well, I'm excited to get selling on this. Now, I think I have enough information now, but if I forget some of this, I want to find some more information, want some collateral, where can I find that?
Yep. The partner portal, as always, will be a great resource with more information and collateral around this offer specifically, as well as our products and future offerings in general. Additionally, you can contact your sales reps or channel managers with more information and work with us closely when it comes to things like sizing or answering questions, and just helping you speak to this offer in more detail with your prospects and customers.
Awesome. Mitch, thanks so much for joining us today. So in summary, I'll wrap everything up. From now until the end of September 2021, we're offering to cover the first year subscription on any H3 VDI deployment, which includes the licensing and the H3 cluster to run that licensing on. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to our general alias channel at scalecomputing.com, or reach out to me directly, sman with 2 N's at scalecomputing.com. And happy selling into Q3, all.